Omoda 4 Ultra. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe in our channel. The Omoda 4 Ultra, a bold leap into the future of automotive design. Revealed at Omoda Dream Day in Wuhu, this next-generation crossover embodies Omoda's new cybermechanical philosophy, where futuristic aesthetics meet intelligent engineering. Its aerodynamic body features a sporty rear spoiler, front splitter, and carbon fiber-style accents, all crafted to enhance performance and individuality. Inside, a sleek vertical infotainment display merges seamlessly with digital controls, while the advanced ADAS L2 Plus system redefines safe, connected driving. Developed with input from younger users, the Omoda 4 Ultra reflects a new era of energy, technology, and personal expression. The future of crossovers has arrived, bold, innovative, and unmistakably Omoda. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you very much for your viewership.